The Deputy Speaker.
Muthia bunge ya bururi ni yambiriirie mutaratara wa kuhagura munini wa mutongoria wa bururi RIGATHI Gachagua kuma wabici-ini kurumirira gutemanio kwa mutaratara uyu ni Mumbunge wa KIBWEZI Mwengi Mutuse uria wamukirite unyiti mbaru wa ambunge 291 aria mekirite kirore kunyita mbaru mutaratara uyu noguo gukinyaniria mendekithia ma kiwatho ma gutemania mutaratara ta uyu wa kuhagura Gachagua kuma wabici-ini.
Honorable members, with respect to evidence, the member has attached documents including annexures and a sworn affidavit to substantiate the grounds stated in the special motion. Consequently, honorable members, I find that the proposed special motion by the Honorable Mwengi Mutuse MP meets the requirements of Articles 145(1) and 151(b) of the Constitution and Standing Order 64 and 65 with regard to form, threshold, and grounds necessary for a member to move a special motion for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy President.
Mutuse AKURUHANITIE Gachagua na MAHITIA 11 hari mutaratara uyu maria mari na uritu wa kuhagurwo kuma wabici-ini ta gukorwo akiaria miario ya gucogera muingi na gucungereria njetukano cia kindurire na ciama cia kiuteti kwagira gitio mutongoria wa bururi na ndundu ya maminista ndumwe na kuingirira utongoria wa kaunti ya Nairobi kumana na uria makoretwo magiukanirira na Governor Johnson Sakaja.
Mr. Speaker, as members will realize, the particulars of these grounds are that His Excellency RIGATHI Gachagua has engaged himself in acts of omission and commission that constitute offences under our Constitution, offences under international law, and offences under our own statutes.
As the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Speaker, to guarantee the safety, as the Inspector General of the country, Mr. Speaker, to guarantee the safety and the security of the 291 members. Mr. Speaker, you know this thing. What we are doing is not a small thing, Mr. Speaker. When Trump was being removed, was being impeached in the United States, Mr. Speaker, you know what he attempted to do. And what can happen here, you know, Mr. Speaker.
Ningi Gachagua ni akuruhanitio na kuingirira wiyathi wa ruhonge rwa igoti riria ingirire mucirithania Esther Maina guthie mugaru na mwihitwa wa wabici yake wa gutiana guthaitira gatiba ya bururi undu umwe na kwagarara watho wa kuiguithania na kunyitithania muingi wa bururi kuhitukira miario yake ya gucogera muingi wa bururi.
By using his office to unjustly enrich himself, by using his office to acquire within 2 months properties well beyond 55.2 billion.
Because, Honorable Speaker, I say this being privy to the information that I was privy to and you are privy to on the 25th of June, and knowing, Honorable Speaker, that as Honorable Junet has said, we are not dealing with an ordinary matter, we are not dealing with an ordinary man, we are dealing with a black man with a very black heart. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Iguru ria maya Gachagua ni akuruhanitio na kungumia kigina kia muingi kumana na gukorwo igwateirio utonga wa ciringi bilioni 5.2 ihinda-ini riria akoretwo wabici-ini kwaga urungiriru wa mitugo riria tabanirie giikaro na andiki a mohoro kwaririria murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ugaceru bururi-ini Nurdin Haji guthagathagia aruti wira thirikari undu umwe na kuhuthira uru wabici yake.
And I will be able to show that the person of the Deputy President is a bully. The person of the Deputy President has been threatening public officials. The person of the Deputy President has carried himself in a manner that brings disrespect to the office that he holds and therefore has grossly misconducted himself.
Riu agwetererwa ni ndereti ya mutaratara uyu kwambiriria na gucoka guikirio kura ni ambunge niguo gukurana kana Gachagua ni akuhagurwo kuma wabici-ini kana ni akuhonoka mbere ya ambunge ya Senate yoereire mutaratara uyu na kuukindira kana kuuteaniria. Gerivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.